Hello there. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install BoomerCrasherPRO Expert Advisor on your VPS. You can install it on your personal computer, but the problem with that is your computer will not be available 24/7. The essence of using the VPS is because it will always be available. There'll be free internet for you, free electricity. You can monitor your trace on your smartphone. So that is why I strongly recommend that you run your BoomerCrasher Expert Advisor on a VPS, whether it's uninterrupted power supply, uninterrupted internet. In the last video, I showed us how to install Deriv MT5 on a VPS. And as you can see, we have a Deriv MT5 platform currently running on our VPS. So to install the BoomerCrasherPRO, the first thing to do will be to bring in the BoomerCrasher zip file, which you downloaded from the website or you got it from our Telegram channel. So I'm going to switch back to my computer and pick up the file, the zip file, onto the server. So I have now copied it from my computer and I'm going to drop it here on the server first. Now this is a zip file. The first thing to do will be to decompress it. So extract all and extract. Then you open this folder, and when you open the folder, you will find 3 files. One is BoomerCrasherPRO DLL, the second one is BoomerCrasherPRO 1K, which is the EA, and then the last file is the README file, which is the file that contains the instructions for you to install the EA. So you open the README file, keep it open. We're going to be referring to it as we do the installation. First of all, it tells us about the EA, that this EA is designed for auto trading to synthetic indices only, Boom 1000 index and Crash 1000 index. This trading system will work best in a VPS environment. The host computer must be active to support running trades. You are free to use the EA indefinitely on any Deriv account. However, to activate it for use on a Deriv real account, you must subscribe for a license at www.BoomerCrasherPRO.com. So if you are using a demo account, that's no problem. You can use it forever there. But if you must use it on a live or a real Deriv account, then you must get a subscription license at our website, www.BoomerCrasherPRO.com. Now let's do the installation. Unzip the BoomerCrasherPRO compressed folder. We have done that. We've seen the 3 files. The next thing to do now will be to launch the Deriv MT5 platform. We'll launch the platform and get on with the installation. To do that, you just double click on the MT5, Deriv MT5. Now this brings us into the trading platform. You will notice that the algo trading is not enabled. That's why you are seeing this red. So to allow algo trading, that's algorithmic trading or auto trading, you need to click on this so it shows green. Now let's follow the instructions. It tells us to place BoomerCrasherPRO.dll file in libraries folder. And this is how to get to the libraries folder: file, open data file, MQL file, and then libraries. So we go back now to our folder and then we copy the DLL, copy it, come back to the trading platform, file, open data folder, then open MQL file, open libraries, and drop the DLL here. Paste. Done. Close it and go back to your instructions. The README file, you see, place BoomerCrasherPRO 1K.ex5 file in experts folder. This is a path to the experts folder. File, open data folder, MQL5 experts. So we go back to our folder, copy the second file, which is the EA, come back to the trading platform, File, open data folder, MQL5, experts, and then we drop it in this folder. Paste it here, close this, go back and see what next to do. Ensure that the allow DLL imports option is checked. That is, you can do that on tools, options, expert advisors. Then you restart your MT5 platform. So go to tools, options, expert advisors. Ensure that allow algorithmic trading. We did that when we turned red to blue, but this is where you could have clicked it if you had not done that before. And then we're asked to now allow DLL imports. Allow it and say okay. At this point, you can either restart the platform, or you can refresh expert advisors. Come here, click this and refresh. Once you do that, if you open up, click on the plus sign, you should now see BoomerCrasherPRO 1K. Now go back to the instruction, user guide. Sign into your demo real account. We've done that already. Open options, Windows, click. We've done all this. Now the next thing is to place the expert advisor on the charts. As we said earlier, it is only for trading Boom 1000 index and Boom and Crash 1000 index. So we need to have those charts. Boom 1000 index, right click on it, and then charts is right there. Go to Crash 1000, charts is there. We can remove all these forex pairs that came by default. Now I'll just put this on 1 minute. We will now just drag the expert advisor and drop it on the chart. Now once this is done, if you click on the inputs for a small account, you don't need to change anything. You can just click OK, and the EA will start working. You can refer to the guidelines, the README file, to see what your equity should be like, before you change the lot size. For a small account from 200 up to 500, you should leave it at 1, the lot size. Leave all other parameters untouched. Don't touch anything. Click OK, and then you can go to your Crash 1000 and do the same. Drag it, drop it there. Yeah, first of all, you just want to see, the name of the EA is BoomerCrasherPRO 1K. 1K means 1000. So you are using it only for Boom 1000 and Crash 1000. This EA is designed for auto trading only 2 synthetic indices, Boom 1000 and Crash 1000. It is free to use on any demo account. You can subscribe for a real account license at www.BoomerCrasherPRO.com. All right, so like I said, you don't need to change any of these parameters for a small account ranging from 200 to 500. So you can click OK, and we're done. A trade has been picked. As you can see on Boom 1000, that's a trade that is running currently. As we dropped it, we can wait for a while and see. A trade will normally last for about 10 minutes. So that is how to install BoomerCrasherPRO EA on your Deriv MT5 platform. I'll be stopping the video here.